Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Pathoma. Begin by watching the videos for a chapter, focusing on understanding the fundamental principles doctor, Satter presence. Don't try to memorize everything on the first pass. Instead, actively listen and pause to jot down key takeaways. This initial step builds a strong foundation for deeper learning and retention. To get the most from each lecture, quickly skim the chapter outline in your Pathoma book beforehand. As you watch, actively annotate your physical or digital textbook directly. This helps you connect what you hear with the visual information. After each video, consolidate your notes and create flashcards for crucial facts or concepts you find difficult. Pathoma provides an excellent foundation, but it's crucial to integrate it with other resources. Immediately after studying a chapter, tackle relevant questions from a question bank. This applies your knowledge and highlights areas needing more review. Regular spaced repetition of topics, perhaps every few days or weeks, will significantly improve your long-term retention. As you progress, identify and prioritize the high-yield chapters that frequently appear on board examinations. A powerful study technique is to teach the concepts to a study partner or even explain them aloud to yourself. This active recall truly solidifies your understanding. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your study experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.